Hello, folks, and welcome to another U-nitt video. This is Adam with U-nitt. So I have in my hands 5515 patina style, modern style rain chain, and it's black from the inside, and it's covered with powder coating patina from the outside, and it's 8.5 feet long. It's easy to hang from the gutter. So every rain chain comes with a clip and link, as you can see right here, to hang it. And it's easy, really, just drop it. Don't have to do anything special. So it just drops in the gutter. It's easy, super easy to hang, as you can see. Now, if the length is too long for the chain, what you can do is shorten it. So you shorten the chain from the bottom. So if you have, let's say, if you're like 1, 2, or 3 cups too long for the setup that you have, let's say you have 2 cups. So you count 2 cups from the bottom, and then you press, actually right here a little bit, and then the link will come out, and you have now a shorter chain. Let's say you wanted a longer chain, so you can actually contact us at U-nitt.com and tell us you want 2, 3, 4 cups, whatever your setup is. And we will actually ship you the extension links. They're called extension links. And they will be ready to connect with your current chain. So what you do is at the bottom of the chain, you would actually, receive the extension cups. You run this through the end of the chain right here. Run it through the end, and you connect it as such. Pull here, and the chain should be ready to hang. Please contact us if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you.